Hello there, my name is Asiphe Ngwanya. I'm 28 years old. I live here in Langa.
Mr. Ngwanya, I can see you have a beautiful tunnel here. Which vegetables do you love growing the most?
That's a no-brainer. I'm sure you can tell by just looking at the tunnel itself. The vegetable that I enjoy growing the most is Swiss chard. So everything that you see on the pot has 5 weeks. Brought seeds, I germinated them. In no time, I think in no time I'll be harvesting the healthy Swiss chard. Yes, I had a vegetable garden before. Different with this one that I have now with African growers is that it doesn't require much space. And here already I've planted more than 100 crops in this small space that you guys see here. As opposed in actual land, I would have occupied quite a huge space. So yeah, this is really life-changing. My journey with African growers has been amazing so far. Starting from day one at rooftop, I've learned quite a number of things there, and I've sucked all the knowledge and applied it here. As you guys can see, African growers has impacted my life positively. So this structure, this tunnel it's very convenient and it's easily manageable. It's amazing. I started farming because I wanted to be more self-sufficient, also to know what I consume to my plate. Eventually I'll be making a living out of it. Farming has changed my life immensely. It has created a lot of awareness and exposure in terms of how the food system operates. And not only that, it also is an art to me because it is a free and comfortable space where you get to express yourself in. This program has showed me and the community that you don't need a massive land to start your own vegetable garden. I must say, it has created a lot of good conversation around the community. People are so interested and inspired to start their own vegetable garden. Farming is an art. There's no really one size fits all. Don't be afraid to experiment new things. And remember, healthy life, happy life.